Hello, and welcome to our channel. Are you looking to become the best version of yourself? Do you want to stand out from the crowd and excel in all areas of your life? Then listen up, gentlemen. Today, we're going to talk about the 6 essential skills that every man needs to master. Whether you're a young adult just starting out in life or a seasoned pro looking to take things to the next level, these skills will help you succeed in everything you do. No matter who you are, where you come from, or what your occupation is, there are certain skills that all men should possess. While some of these skills may seem old-fashioned or outdated, they are still definitely important in today's world. While you may not need to use all of these skills on a daily basis, it's always good to know that you have them in your back pocket, just in case. So, grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes, because by the end of this, you'll have the tools to become a true modern-day Renaissance man. So, what are the top 6 skills all men should possess? 6. Learn to fix things. As any homeowner knows, there are always things that need to be fixed around the house. From a leaky faucet to a broken light fixture, being able to take care of basic repairs is an important skill for any man to have. Not only will it save you money on professional services, but it will also give you a sense of pride and accomplishment. In addition, being handy can come in handy in a variety of other situations. Perhaps you need to assemble some furniture or put up shelves. Maybe you need to change a tire or jump-start a car. Whatever the task, having the ability to fix things is a valuable skill for any man to have. So next time something needs repairing, don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and get to work. With a little elbow grease and know-how, you'll be surprised at what you can accomplish. 5. Learn to cook. There are a lot of skills that men should have, and one of them is knowing how to cook. It is not difficult to learn how to cook, and it has many benefits. For instance, cooking at home is usually cheaper than going out to eat. It is also healthier to cook your own food since you can control the ingredients and how they are prepared. In addition, learning how to cook can be a great way to impress a date or potential partner. Even if you are not the best cook, your effort in making a meal can be very attractive. So if you don't know how to cook, there is no time like the present to learn. Who knows, you might just find that you enjoy it. 4. Learn to handle money. While we're not saying you should apply for your sugar daddy card, you should still know how to handle money. This includes everything from understanding interest and investments to knowing how to budget and save for the future. Money management is an important skill for any man to have, regardless of his income level. After all, even if you don't make a lot of money, you still need to be able to live within your means and make smart financial decisions. So take some time to learn about money matters. It will pay off in the long run. Financial independence is having enough assets and making enough money to support you and your family without working. Financial security is the confidence that you'll remain stable in your current financial situation, no matter what happens with the economy. To achieve financial maturity, you need to educate yourself about personal finances. 3. Learn to be assertive. This can be either a difficult or easy skill to master, depending on your personality. However, it is an important one nonetheless. Being assertive means being able to express yourself in a clear and concise manner. It also means being able to stand up for yourself when necessary. This can be helpful in both personal and professional situations. For instance, if you are unhappy with the way something is going at work, being assertive can help you communicate your concerns to your boss in a constructive way. Or, if you find yourself in a situation where someone is taking advantage of you, being assertive can help you put a stop to it. So if you need to brush up on your assertiveness skills, there are plenty of resources available to help you out. 2. Learn to get in shape. It's been said that healthy people are attractive. The muscles don't hurt either. But seriously, being in shape has a lot of benefits. It can improve your energy levels, help you sleep better, and even reduce your risk of developing certain diseases. Plus, let's be honest, women are generally attracted to men who take care of themselves. So if you're not currently in the best shape of your life, now is the time to make a change. Start by gradually adding some exercise into your routine. Then focus on eating healthy foods that will fuel your body. Before you know it, you'll be looking and feeling great. You have to understand what's actually essential in your life. That's an important distinction. Your life is different from others. What you value the most will be different as well. It is important to being able to defend yourself and others. Take up martial arts. If you're trying to figure out what martial arts you want to learn, do your research there as well. Understand that each martial art focuses on different skill sets, and some may not help you as much with self-defense. 1. Learn to be charming. No matter how good-looking you or how much money you have, if you're not charming, chances are you're not going to get very far with women. Being charming means being able to make others feel comfortable in your presence and being someone people enjoy talking to. It's not about being the life of the party or telling cheesy pickup lines. Instead, it's about being genuine and engaging with those around you. If you're not sure how to be charming, start by simply paying attention to the way you interact with others. By imagining yourself in someone else's shoes, you can better understand the decisions they make and who they are. Not only is this critical personally, but it's essential in any business situation. The more empathic you are, the better relationship you will have throughout your life. Do you come across as warm and friendly, or are you more on the shy and reserved side? If it's the latter, try making a conscious effort to be more outgoing when you're around people. You might be surprised at how quickly your charm starts to shine through. So there you have it, 6 essential skills all men should possess. While you may not be an expert in all of these areas, simply being aware of them is a good first step. Then you can start working on improving the skills that need a little work. The effort will be well worth it. Not only will you become a better man, but you'll also be more attractive. By developing these essential traits, you'll be well on your way to becoming a true powerhouse in all areas of your life. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep working on these skills, and soon enough, you'll be amazed at how much you've grown as a person. Now, go out there and show the world what you're made of. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for greatness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.